and welcome back. Today I'm so excited to welcome you guys to a completely new country. We find ourselves in the beautiful Ireland, Dublin to be exact. So let's get started because we have so many adventures coming right up. Right here on Rainforest Street, right in front of the Guinness Storehouse. This day is about to get really good. Let's go. Incredibly amazing. Not only do you get to have Guinness to your heart's desire, you also get to meet people, but it's time to go.
Yes.
And now we are walking by the awesome horse carriages that would take you anywhere in the city you want to go for about €100 or maybe 30 if you're just going to Temple Bar.
Yeah.
But for us, I think we're gonna walk in the rain. Yeah. Let's go. We had an amazing time walking through Dublin, and we are now here at Trinity College to see the Book of Kells, and it's another must visit while in Dublin, and we're about to get it done, so let's get started. Wow, I can't believe we finally made it in. Now, the Book of Kells is one of the greatest treasures that medieval Europe has left for the world, and it's honestly a must when visiting Dublin. And what I love is that when you walk in here, even if you've never heard of it, if you're not familiar with it, it kind of gives you a little bit of history, and it kind of like gets you in the mood to go in there and see it. Now, unfortunately, I cannot bring you guys with us inside because there's no photography or video. But I will be able to tell you all about it. Are you excited?
I am.
It's really cool. It's always really cool to be able to present history.
Yes. Let's go check it out.
Let's go. Wow, it's been an amazing experience just looking at the Book of Kells, the way they have preserved it, the colors are so vibrant.
Yeah.
Really, the amount of time that these monks put into transcribing all this, it just kind of like gets to you, like it's almost just as exciting as drinking Guinness. But next, we just come up the stairs and now we are in the Dream Library.
The long room.
Yes, we are, and this is truly where people who love to read had their dreams come true. It is one of a kind, and we're excited to see it. We're only a few steps away.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go. So we are officially done here. What did you think?
I think it was really interesting. The long library was pretty awesome.
It really was,
Yeah.
right? It is truly a library of heaven.
Yes.
I mean, I don't even know what to say about it. I've never seen anything so cool. It was really dark though.
Yeah,
it was super dark. But it is only about, what would you say, 5 o'clock?
Yes.
So we're gonna continue to explore and see this beautiful city because the night is young.
Yes.
Okay, so as we were walking, we definitely had the opportunity to see a lot of the beautiful streets, and we have also stumbled onto Ryan's heart sculpture, which is the Molly right behind us, in a must selfie place here in Dublin. So that's what we're gonna do. As you can tell, she is right here looking as lovely as ever. Really cool, and we definitely snapped quite a bit of pictures, but that also means that it is lunchtime and we've had nothing but beer this whole day, so it's time to go get some food in our bellies. So we're gonna go explore the area and eat something. For us to have late lunch, and we came to this place yesterday and it was really good, and I thought, let's give it a chance, let's go. And we are at Mulligan Haines. Adrian got a beer and I got a Coke because I'm feeling quite sleepy, and we still have quite a bit of a day.
Cheers.
Cheers. Alright, so the food is officially here, and I got the traditional fish and chips, which I've been craving for a while. And Adrian got a chicken burger, which is supposed to be incredibly good because it comes on brioche bread, and we're brioche fans. So we're gonna dig in, and this looks absolutely fantastic.
It does.
Okay, so we finished our dinner,
Yes,
or more
late
like
lunch.
late lunch. It was amazing. We got to know some amazing people, and we've also learned some fun facts. And I actually didn't know that the city of Dublin isn't actually a recognized city by UNESCO for literature.
Yeah, didn't know that.
No, me neither. They actually have 3 Nobel Prize winners that live here.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. And it is the fact that we are actually going to head into the main tourist spot here for all tourists, and we're gonna go tour
The Temple Bar area.
Yes, we are, and we're gonna go check it out and just kind of give you a glimpse at what the nightlife looks like at Temple Bar area. We are now walking through the famous Temple Bar area, and it seems pretty lively. It seems like this whole area is selling an experience more than anything.
Yeah, so they say it's very touristic, so you'll see a lot of pubs here, a lot of restaurants, but just, I guess, be mindful of the tourist prices and stuff, so.
Yes, and again, not only the prices, but if you want a true experience, then you really do have to step away from right here.
Yes.
And go and head into other parts of town and mingle with the locals.
Yeah.
They're known to be very, very friendly. Alright, so we have continued to walk all through this whole area, and we have finally arrived at the biggest selling point, and that is the Temple Bar, the pub that has won Pub of the Year since 2002 until present day. And it's a tourist, it's a must to go in there and check it out. And on that note, I am actually going to close out this vlog. Thank you so much for coming along with us on this day through Dublin. What I am going to do is I'm going to go in there and live my life with a Guinness. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and don't forget to click that little bell. I will see you guys with another video from Ireland. Bye!